Well, I forgot to record. I'm going to start this gesture again. So I'm going to show you how to work with wet mass gesture. Okay. So I have watered down, I have like about a finger or two of water. And I've watered down, I just dipped my ink in here, and you can see here that it's a very light gray. Because if I just work with water on my newsprint, it already darkens. And I'm going to go ahead and use that capacity of applying a very light wash on my newsprint to very quickly record the mass movement of a pose. So let's start with this pose right here, which has a tremendous amount of movement in it. And so first I'm going to start with the upper torso, and I'm going to look and see what it's doing. And it looks to me like this torso is twisting. Upper torso, lower torso. So there's my bean. And then from this lower torso, I see this leg. And I'm going to fill in the whole shape. I'm not doing contours. I'm filling in the whole shape with that. And then his foot. I'm filling in the whole shape, even the areas that are light. And from here, I see this arm just move and then end in that fist. And there's that essential movement. His neck is turning. I see the oval of the face and the turn of the skull here. Now here, I am seeing this arm move this way. And I'm filling in the whole shape. I'm filling in the shape of that hand. Now, I've got this leg, and then the bottom part of the leg, and there's my triangle. And so very quickly using mass, filling up the whole shape, with my ink wash, I'm able to capture the essential pose. Now I can come in with a Q-tip or with a toothpick, and I can start to make some refined contour line and gesture lines to give me more indication. Now this is very wet, so it's going to bleed. Embrace the bleed. Don't fight against it. It's going to work in your favor, believe me, because when this dries, instead of looking like a line drawing, it's going to look brushed and a lot more interesting as a consequence. I can use my brush, dipped in here also, to capture more of that if I want. And remember, it's going to bleed. It's going to bleed. And that's all right. That's a part of what you're looking for. You can see how very quickly, using the wetness of the ink and a variety of household tools, you can go ahead and do a gesture, capturing the movement of a figure in space.